A for apple, red and sweet, a healthy fruit that's fun to eat. B for banana, long and yellow, makes you strong, my little fellow. C for cherry, tiny and red, tasty treats before you go to bed. D for dragon fruit, pink and bright, eating it gives you happy light. E for elderberry, purple delight, keeps you healthy day and night. F for fig, soft inside, nature's candy, open wide. G for grapes, green or blue, sweet and juicy, good for you. H for honeydew, melon so nice, cool and fresh like a piece of ice. I for Indian gooseberry, sour and small, keeps you strong and healthy all. J for jackfruit, big and sweet, summer's gift, what a treat. K for kiwi, brown and round, green inside, yummy found. L for lemon, yellow and tart, good for juice and healthy heart. L for mango, king of fruit, golden juicy, oh so cute. N for nectarine, soft and bright, tastes so good, what a bite. O for orange, round and fun, full of vitamin for everyone. P for papaya, orange and sweet, healthy fruit that's hard to beat. Q for quince, yellow and rare, special fruit beyond compare. R for raspberry, pink and small, tasty berries loved by all. S for strawberry, juicy red, with whipped cream on your bread. T for tamarind, salad delight, add it to candy, what a bite. U for oogly fruit, funny name, looks so odd but tastes the same. V for vanilla fruit, sweet and fine, makes ice cream so divine. W for watermelon, red inside, juicy joy you can't hide. X for seagull, from far away, Chinese melon saves the day. Y for yellow, passion fruit, tart and tangy, super cute. Z for zucchini, green and thin, a veggie fruit that makes you grin.